Hi, I am Oumar Diallo. Previously, I was an Uber driver, and I'm about to be a Linux system administrator. Once again, this is Oumar Diallo. I used to be an Uber driver, working some days with my free time. What made me want to change that job? I would like to move on to know a new word, which is the word of IT. I gotta be curious, you know, to know some new thing. And that's why I wanna be an IT guy. You can work from home, so you don't have to move out your house and go to work on site. And the IT field right now is a busy field. So that's why I wanna be an IT guy. Some challenges of driving Uber. In order for you to make money, you're gonna have to drive at least 10 to 12 hours, and you need to sleep and you need to go to school. You know, so that's like the main struggle that makes me want to be an IT guy. Because an IT guy is an opportunity, like I said before, like to stay home, study at home, and have a job while you're staying at home, and make your money. The only advice that I have, take a step up, take a step up. Don't stay on the field that you've been like so long. So try to move on and learn. You have to learn something else. That's what I have, the advice that I have to give to some people.